Josh, what are you doing right now? Yeah, I know. He's not a professional.
Tearing up the pump.
Josh, is this different than the one you have in Montana?
No, mine just never come apart.
Oh, stay together?
You wear a jacket like a big sissy, bro?
Documenting all this too.
You wear a jacket like a big sissy? Like you wear a bike helmet?
Yeah.
He wears a bike helmet. What he said, oh my, not in the mountains, on the flat road, he'll wear a bike
George, what do you know about that? You got a mullet.
That's why I don't need a helmet.
Wait, George, check out the foot action.
Oh, pasty foot. Nice. Josh, you need to hurry up with this one because I got another one you need to blow up.
Yeah, I guess I will.
Josh, how you feeling about today?
Feeling good about today.
Feeling good?
Feeling good. How are you feeling about today?
Feeling good. I think I'm gonna get a sunburn. My pasty legs.
I'm totally gonna get sunburned, and it's very, very hot.
It's Montana hot. It's not Florida hot for the record.
This is hotter than Montana hot.
Look at all these people. Yeah. There's Mom again, waiting. So we're about to get in.
First time somebody say, have you seen a GoPro? And I'm like, they're like, it's a long stick thing that holds the camera. That extends, right?
No.
Ralph, that's a GoPro.
George, look, yeah, watch. Look at extended with my
It's
elbow.
supposed to go up like an antenna.
Oh.
Nice amateur.
Look. Better?
Oh, nice go
Look at
amateur.
those pasty legs. Look at those pasty legs.
Sexy.
I don't think it's very
The
sexy.
sexiest legs on the back of this canoe. What? Well, the dad just sat there like Ralph did. I had to provide the canoe, provide the oars, provide the GoPro. Do all the rowing.
It's like that.
All the birds showing.
Josh helped me with a video yesterday. He filmed it with his camera and he edited it, but everything else I did.
Were you running after that or?
Yeah, I was actually.
Okay, so you did.
Running into the tree. Awesome.
Don't hit me with this.
Oh, you just hit Uncle George's head. Poor Uncle George.
It's pretty big.
I feel so bad about it.
I fell in the water. Even if I flip it, maybe I'll fall too. We don't got our phones, so I can do that. Oh, Ralph got it.
Oh, speaking of hillbilly.
Ralph, his is a go. I mean, Josh, his is a go amateur. It doesn't even extend. Yours does, right?
Hey, I'm trying to hear some music.
Nice go amateur. Dang, I said it looked like.
You won't even shut up for 1 second.
It really is a hillbilly, right?
I'm here all week.
I didn't even get to hear you because George was talking.
Shut up. Oh.
Do it again.
Oh, you want me to do it again?
Stop. No, I started again. And this is why we live in Florida.
crikey. The turtles are cool, but the snake's gorgeous.
I can't believe these turtles are that indifferent to us. That's an orange-bellied water snake.
There's a big giant turtle they're looking at over there.
George, what's that? What did we just see?
An orange-bellied water snake.
George, it was a what?
An orange-bellied water snake.
All right. All right.
Like the funny rat. It just looks like one, but
Oh, that's just a rock. I finally got George to paddle to see if that is a gator.
but it's more of a decoy than an elk.
Yep.
Oh, it's just a fish.
It looks just like an alligator. I mean, look at that.
Get away, it's gonna attack us.
Oh man, yeah, it's an alligator for sure.
You can tell it's trying to camo. It got a plan on it.
That yellow boat guy, it was following us. Look, there he is. Dang, this boat's way out. Film this boat,
George, you're running us into a stick.
Film this boat.
I'm trying not to get us sunk.
Yeah, sometimes I forget this ain't like a ride at the fair. You really could get hurt.
Bro, film this boat way out of the water. It's funny, man. Stop, look at
Josh, I want a new I want a new partner. Is Renee available still? Oh no, I think we're on the. What are
No, like we really want to get on your little stupid dock. I think that dock's such a big deal.
the one
go
random
tap on it.
step?
Wish I had to do that.
Oh, very, very interesting.
Do any of y'all got to do number two? Teach them a lesson. Teach them a
Super
lesson.
random.
They think
Oh.
everybody wants to get on that little silly dock.
Are you gonna paddle?
You want to go through all those friendships?
No. So we went down the Santa Fe River today from Rum Island outside of High Springs to 47, State Road 47 in Fort White. Took 4.5-ish hours. We kind of took our time, had fun. Josh and I are both shooting footage. We kind of joking around about this being a competition, who can shoot the best footage. I know Josh is definitely more of a professional than I am. It was really nice though. We found some springs on the side. We got some cool stuff kind of shot underneath. Not much about bees, alpacas, chickens or ducks. We did get a bunch of turtles, and I think we got a water snake at one point. A whole lot of my brother George in the kayak, not doing too much. And it was a good time. So hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a lot different than what I normally do, but I'm trying to get used to this new camera and seeing how to edit correctly. All right, now Josh is gonna demonstrate how to get everything back in the 2 bags all by himself.
I feel like it's kind of a trend.
No, I'm showing the video. Keep going. Yep, good. First step.
First step is empty the bag.
Good, we're doing an instructional video.
And how to empty the bag and get everything put away.
Yep. All right, so let's.
I kind of feel like this is a video just so I get things put away and
Nope,
nobody.
nope.
Yeah, I think that might be just like me paddling.
Yep, all right, so good.
I think somebody's got it on coast.
Let's show how hard George is working. Man,
Dang.
moving the camera. George does.
Oh.
All right, instructional over.